Hey guys, another day, another Q&A. I need to switch up my intro and stop. I need to switch up my intro and stop saying Poshmark Q&A because this is now a reselling Q&A because we're talking about more than just Poshmark here. So yeah, I gotta stop saying Poshmark Q&A. It's reselling Q&A. Okay. Hey, I have a question for your next Q&A. How do I know if I'm people are texting me. How do I know if I'm in share jail? I recently got the Poshmark Sidekick. And I can share my closet in 45 minutes, so I've been going crazy with it. I have 2,530 active listings. Now I'm getting the Humanity reCAPTCHA pop-up, and it keeps saying error, something went wrong, please try again later. Please help, thanks. And her closet is Mandy Bear Closet. So, okay, first off, Poshmark Sidekick. Never heard of it. Is that a bot? Is it a bot? I don't know. Hold on. I gotta close my lines. Is that better or worse? Or what? So yeah, I've never heard of Poshmark Sidekick. Do you still manually I can't talk. Do you manually share, or does it just do it for you? You say you can share in 45 minutes. You have 2,530 active listings. I feel like if you used the Poshmark sharing tool, you could do it. Yeah, 45 minutes. No, you could do it a lot quicker. A lot quicker if you use the Poshmark sharing tool. I'll link it down below. I'm not like affiliated with them, although I should be because I feel like I promote them in like every video. But it's a really, really great sharing tool. You can share your closet very quickly. I have over 900 active listings. I think I have 930, and I am able to share my closet in under 10 minutes. So yeah, just by doing the math. Wait, you have 25? Yeah, so like doing the math, you could probably cut your sharing time down in half, or a little more than half. So I don't know, check it out. Like I said, I've never heard of Poshmark Sidekick, but to answer your question, yes, if you're getting an error message that says error, try again. I don't remember exactly what it says, but if you're getting a message that says error, then that means you are in Poshmark share jail and you have to wait however long it is. I don't know. I feel like every time I'm in share jail, it's a different amount of time. I know the first time that I was ever in Poshmark share jail, I think it was like 3 or 4 hours. Then it was 24 hours. And I feel like every time after that, it's only been like between like 3 and 6 hours. I've tried emailing Poshmark and I asked them, the specifics of it, and they're like, oh, it's proprietary, we can't tell you. I'm like, okay, I know it's 10,000 shares. A bunch of you guys asked how many shares will get you into Poshmark share jail, and you can do 10,000 shares in 24 hours. Again, they said it was proprietary, so they're not gonna like tell you exactly, but it is 10,000 shares. So if you're getting just the CAPTCHA thing, where you gotta identify, what was that noise? Is everyone okay? Yeah, if you have to like identify the pictures, the CAPTCHA, then that's normal. That's kind of just like a warning, like slow down. But if you're getting the error message, then yes, you are in Poshmark share jail and just kind of gotta wait it out, unfortunately. Okay, yeah, and the next question, how do you know when you get put into Poshmark share jail? Marissa was asking me that. So that's how you know. If you are suddenly able to share and then all of a sudden you're getting error messages, that's how you know you're in Poshmark share jail. A little tip, when you're using the Poshmark share tool, make sure you're getting the notification that says, like the little black box that pops up, it says shared successfully. Make sure you're getting that every time you share, because there is like a known issue that if you are sharing too fast, then it won't actually share the item. I had a couple of you guys reach out and say, hey, every time I use the Poshmark share tool, I have like, 20 to 30 items that aren't getting shared. What's going on? And it's because you're going too fast. So if you're using the Poshmark share tool, just make sure you're getting that message that says shared successfully, and you should be good. Have sales on your closet and your husband's closet increased since you started using this Chrome add-on? Is it worth it? So only I use the Poshmark share tool. My husband has a VA that does his sharing for him, and yes, it's an actual person. It's not a bot. But yes, definitely my sales have increased since I started using that. I think I started using it in February or March. I think it was like the last week of February I started using it, I think. I don't remember honestly. But yes, my sales have gone up. I think it helps tremendously. I really truly think the number one way to make sales is to share your listings. Even though everyone hates sharing, it's so time consuming. The Poshmark sharing tool definitely cuts down the share time. If you want to be, a good person and follow the rules and not use a bot, Highly recommend Poshmark share tool. All right, last question. If I send a closet clear out public price drop, does anybody who buys it within 6 hours get the discounted shipping, or only those who liked it before the price drop? Also, same type of CCO price drop, closet clear out. If a liker adds a CCO item to a bundle with other items, do they get the shipping discount on that whole bundle? Oh, geez. Riva Sue. Those are questions. All right, let's see. I don't know if I know the answer to that. So your first question, does anyone who buys it within 6 hours get the discounted shipping, or only those who liked it before the price drop? So I'm pretty sure, why don't I know 100% the answer to this, but I'm pretty sure that if somebody likes it after the price drop within those 6 hours, I'm pretty sure that they will get the discounted shipping too. I'm like 90% sure. Yes. I will do some research when I'm editing this video, and I'll let you know for sure. And then your other question, if they add a CCO item to a bundle, did they get the shipping discount on that whole bundle? I don't think so. That I'm like 99% sure. I don't think so. I think it's different with bundles. I think it's just kind of like its own thing. I'm pretty sure. Why am I like second guessing everything in life right now? I'm like, wait, do I really know anything? So that is it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. And like I said, this is like a reselling Q&A now. It's not just Poshmark, so you can ask me questions about Mercari, about eBay, about, you know, reselling in general. I only sell on Poshmark, Mercari, and eBay. I'm trying Depop, but I haven't sold anything on Depop yet. I don't know. I just listed things on there, and I feel like I'm not selling them because they're not modeled, and I don't know. I don't like Depop. I'm really close to just deleting everything off Depop and just focusing on Poshmark, Mercari, and eBay. So I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, I can't really answer Depop questions, but as far as Poshmark, Mercari, and eBay, I can answer those questions. If you are new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KeepinItRad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.